The battery junction box is a really critical part of the EV powertrain system. It's what's connecting and disconnecting the battery from the rest of the vehicle, and ensuring that it's reliable and robust is really what's going to give us the performance we need to deliver a good driving experience for the customer. Our focus at Visteon is to really ensure that we have good connection, good communication, and good control of every aspect of that system, that we're getting really accurate measurements so that we can make good decisions as well. The junction box is at a kind of challenging cusp in the industry right now. We're kind of at 400-volt architectures and now developing these 800-volt architectures. But the problem is that the EV charging systems have not caught up. So when you pull up to a charger, you don't want to not be able to charge because it doesn't support 800-volt batteries. So what now the industry is struggling with is how do we really address this current situation we're in, where we still need to upgrade our charging infrastructure, but we want to get our batteries to that 800-volt propulsion system. And so what we're doing today is our junction box is designed where it can actually support both if needed. So it'll actually be able to switch to a 400-volt pack configuration where you basically have two packs in parallel, and then switch it to a series configuration for 800 volts as well.